birth, death, and migration only for the changes of the event or factors in the vital event or population changes. Therefore, we study the measurement of the vital statistics. Before the starting the class, anybody comment on the comment box? कसैले comment गरेछ छैन? Okay. To be continue. For the measurement of vital status, we start from the rate, ratio, and proportion. These three figures, that is the rate, ratio, and proportion, is based on the epidemiological study. Do you discuss or study that is the rate, ratio, proportion in epidemiology? Epidemiology पढ्यौ पहिला सोध्नु पर्यो starting from epidemiology भन्ने सब्जेक्ट पढ्यौ in the epidemiology, that means that you already study in the epidemiology. Based on the epidemiology, there are three numerical measures, that is the rate, ratio, proportion. Rate, ratio, proportion, generally based on the epidemiology, rate, ratio, proportion, any confusion based on the epidemiology, that is the specific measures, rate, ratio, proportion. के confusion छ भने चाहिँ starting from that concept of the rate, ratio, proportion. Otherwise, to continue the measurement of vital statistics. Any confusion based on the epidemiology, that is the specific measures, rate, ratio, proportion. के confusion छ epidemiology मा rate, ratio, proportion भनेको पढेको हो. Do you study or discuss the rate, ratio, proportion in the epidemiology? एकताल सबैले अनम्युट गरौँ त यो स्टुडेन्ट यहाँ छ कि छैन मलाई कन्फ्युज लागिरहेछ स्टुडेन्ट यहाँ छ कि छैन मलाई कन्फ्युज लागिरहेछ एकताल अनम्युट गरौँ त कति जना यहाँ छ कति जना छैन एकताल हेर्नु पर्यो अनम्युट गरौँ त कति जना प्रेजेन्ट छ कति जना एब्सेन्ट छ हेर्नु पर्यो in the okay mute gara मैले किन गर्न खोजेको भन्दाखेरि सम स्टुडेन्ट इन्ट्री हुने त्यसपछि चाहिँ कतातिर गएर बस्ने दैट प्रब्लमले गर्दाखेरि अनम्युट गर भनेको in the case of epidemiology मा मैले क्वेशन सोध्दै थिए रेट रेशियो प्रोपोर्सन पढेको थियो भनेर सोध्दै थियो पढेको थियो भने चाहिँ अब त्यहाँबाट अलि कन्टिन्युअस गर्नु पर्यो अदरवाइज बेसिक concept start from the rate ratio proportion. Okay, I think start from the concept of the rate ratio proportion. There are specific summary value that is the based on the rate ratio proportion. For example, there are two categories, present or absent, male or female, effective or non-effective, defective or good. That are the two categories of the certain variable. Kune euta variable चाहिँ दुईटा category dichotomous nature छ, pass or fail, positive or negative, that types of variable which measures the specific summary value, that is the rate ratio proportion. Proportion means specific value by total value in that is the proportion. For example, if there are male and female, male by female is said to be male by female. One is the specific measures, another one is male upon total, another specific measure, another one is male upon total divided by into constant. That is the three specific measures, that is the rate, ratio, proportion. Proportion is also said to be probability. Therefore, starting from proportion, specific category divided by total category, that is said to be proportion. For example, there are male and female. Male by total number of students, that is said to be proportion. If the proportion are multiplied by certain values, for example, percentage, we should multiply the specific value by total value into 100. That is said to be constant. 100 is constant. That types of measure is said to be rate. In the case of vital statistic, we should multiply it by either 1,000 or 10,000 or 1 lakhs. That is based on the your incident rate or observation or number of individual included in the study. That is said to be rate. Ratio means quantity of one category to the quantity of other quantity. That is said to be ratio. Every example, there are male and female. Male by female is said to be ratio. Male by total, that is said to be proportion. Male by total into 100 or 1,000 or 10,000 or lakhs, that is said to be rate. This type of measure included in the measure of vital statistics. There are rate and ratio only studied in the vital events, or there are specific, we study the 3 vital events, that is the birth, death and migration. Generally, specifically the vital statistics, that is the based on the vital events, birth rate and migration, birth, death and migration, are available in the form of repetition, that is the frequency, number of individual, number of birth, number of death, number of migration. That are the frequency of the vital events. That is the vital events is based on the, in this our model, in this our syllabus, in this our course of study, we should only study the birth, death and migration. For example, N1 person should be died, N2 person should be N2 person are born. That means the, for example, N1 equal to 100, N2 equal to 200 and N3 are 150. That types of the frequency. N1 persons are died, N2 person are born, N3 person get to marry during a given specific time. That are 3 frequency, 3 variable, 3 vital events, birth, death and migration. In any community or any region or any country or any specific geographical region or specific local government, for the statistical analysis, these figures or these values, this frequency, this number are generally transformed by the specific measures, that is based on the proportion and ratio. But rate and ratio, proportion is based on the probability. Therefore, we study the probability in other subject and empirical study. Therefore, only we summarize or discuss on the specific measures, that is the rate and ratios. In the demographical, first one is fertility, that is based on the birth of the birth, that is live birth in the any geographical place. In the context of the demography or study of human being, the word fertility is used to actual production, actual birth, that is actual life birth of the children, or occurrence of birth, occurrence of live birth, specifically live birth in the certain bounded region, certain area, certain geographical place, certain war, certain municipality or certain country. Fertility must be, that is the based on the live birth, must be distinguished from the fecundity, which means the capacity of childbear children. That means child is occurs childbirth in the life, that is based on the live birth, or as the measure of the rate of birth or growth of the population or increase of the population. Various fertility rates are computed, calculated or observed for the demographic study. At the base of the fertility, there are various numerical measures. Various fertility rates are studied inside the fertility, which are separated or divided or subgrouped into following rates. That is the crude birth rate, specific age-specific fertility rate, general fertility rate, total fertility rate, gross reproductive rate and net reproductive rate. That are the different rate inside the fertility in demographical study. We should we should study the only these 6 specific summary rates of fertility inside the demographical study based on our module or our syllabus or our course of study. Starting from the growth birth rate, which is denoted by CBR. Growth birth rate is based on the live birth of the certain geographical place in specific given area or specific given time, that is a single year. It is defined as generally it is denoted by the CBR, which means the growth birth rate. CBR or growth birth rate is defined as the ratio of, that is the based on the ratio. Ratio means the specific quantity by total quantity into multiplied by certain constant value, that is said to be ratio. Proportion is said to be only specific value upon total value, that is said to be proportion. Proportion is also known as the probability. But rate is the certain specific value, one category by to the other category. This is the ratio. Ratio means the certain value divided by total value into 100 or constant value, that is said to be ratio. It is defined, that is the CBR is defined as the ratio of number of live birth. Live birth in certain geographical place, certain country or certain bounded region in the given year or study of the year or certain time to the total number of population expressed in 1000, that means multiplied by 1000, because in the case of demographical study there are huge number of population inside a certain geographical place. Birth is smaller value, therefore we multiplied by larger quantity as compared with small quantity, that is 10, 20, that is small quantity. 1000 is a large quantity because the population, nature of the population is large as in the any country. Therefore we multiplied by 1000. That means the ratio of number of live birth divided by total number of population in that area multiplied by constant factor, that is the 1000. Growth birth rate is affected by, that is the influenced by the composition of total population. That means the total population are subgrouped into different characteristics such as the age, sex and other characteristics. That means based on the population, geographical place, ethnicity. So it is used to compare the fertility between the two groups, that is the age group between the childbearing age, that is a 10 to 15 to 19, 19 to 20, that are also comparison between the two groups or certain geographical place to other geographical place, that is said to be comparison in the case of the growth birth rate. It is denoted by CBR and defined by following relation or following formula, following module. That are the CBR is given by total number of live birth during a specific year, specific study year, divided by total number of population or mid-year population at same age, same years at that geographical place multiplied by 1000. Summary value, that is the based on the coding, that is CBR equal to B by P into 1000, where B means total number of live birth in certain given year or specific given year or study year, divided by P means total population in that year or mid-year population of that year, multiplied by 1000. That is the specific formula for the growth birth rate inside the fertility. Similarly, next one, that is the age specific fertility rate, that are the based on age group of the female population. Female population is generally divided into childbearing age, that is the 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 39 to 45 to 49, that is based on the female population. Age specific fertility rate is especially denoted by, abbreviated by ASFR, and this is based on the age group of female population. Age specific fertility rate is defined as the number of live birth, that means live birth in certain specific age group to the total number of live birth, total number of women or total number of female population of that age group per 1,000 women in that age group. That means in shortcut we should define as the age specific fertility by total number of live birth of specific age group of female divided by total number of female population of that age group multiplied by 1,000. That is said to be age specific fertility rate. In the context of Nepal, that means based on the census 2011, the highest fertility rate of age high fertility rate is in the age group of 20 to 24. That is the age group of female population, which is calculated by this type of age specific fertility rate is calculated by using the following formula or relation. That is the age specific fertility rate denoted by ASEFR equal to total number of live birth to the female population or mothers or childbearing age of specific age group divided by total number of population in that same age group or mid-year female population of same age group multiplied by 1,000. For example, age group of mother is, that is the age group of mother is based on the childbearing age or reproductive age, which is lies between 15 to 49. For example, age group of 15 to 19. In that case, age specific fertility rate is given by number of live birth to the mothers or females of age group 15 to 19 divided by total number of female population of age group 15 to 19 multiplied by 1,000 in any specific year. That is the case of the 15 to 19. Similarly, we also describe the formula for other age group like 20 to 24 or 20 to 24. ASEFR, that is age specific fertility rate, is given by total number of live birth given by the mothers or females of age group 20 to 24 divided by total number of female population in that age group, that is the 20 to 24 multiplied by 1,000. Similarly, we also calculate the age first specific fertility rates for other age group, that is based on 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49. That age is the childbearing age or reproductive age of the female. All the age specific fertility rate is based on the reproductive age of female or a childbearing age of the female. Another fertility rate, that is the general fertility rate. General fertility rate is denoted by the GFR. That is also based on the total number of female population, which is based on the childbearing age. That means the childbearing age of the female lies between 15 to 49. General fertility rate, that is GFR, is denoted by the total number of live birth to the female population in the specific given year to the total number of married women from the age group of childbearing age, that means 15 to 49 per 1,000. In shortcut, we said that the ratio of total number of live birth divided by total number of female population in childbearing age or total number of married women of age group lies between 15 to 49. That is a mistake. That is a 190, not a 19. That is a 49 multiplied by 1,000. Then formula is calculated by following relation. General fertility rate is calculated by using the total number of live birth divided by total number of woman or female whose age lies between the childbearing age or reproductive age, that is the 15 to 49. This is a 19, not a 19. I am also corrected. That is a your 19 होइन, that is a 49. Okay, 49, that is the age of reproductive or childbearing age of the female. This is the relation, that is the general fertility rate. In shortcut, defined as the ratio of total number of live birth in a given specific year divided by total number of female population whose age is lies between the 15 to 19, or total number of female population whose age is childbearing age, multiplied by constant factor, that is the 1000, which is known as the general fertility rate. That is the third fertility rate of inside the fertility. Next, rates inside the fertility, that is the total fertility rate. That means the TFR, which is generated by TFR, that means the total fertility rate. Total fertility rate is calculated based on the age specific fertility rate. That is a different category, different age groups, that is based on 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 39, 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49. That are the different age group in the case of the age specific fertility rate. Total fertility rate is based on the age specific fertility rate. Therefore, it is defined as the number of children that would be born, that will be number of live children that would be born to the hypothetical groups. That means the age group which are distributed, categorized into class interval of 5. If the group passes through the reproductive life, expand with the present age specific age birth rate and each year of the age before the 50 years. That means it is the total number of birth based on the age specific fertility rate or age of female population based on the childbearing age. It is denoted by TFR and given by total fertility rate in equal to interval of age group multiplied by sum of all age specific fertility rate. That means generally for the calculation of age specific fertility rate, the class interval of female age population is subgrouped into class interval of 5. Therefore, we multiplied by 5 into sum of the all age specific fertility rate. 5 is the constant factor which are based on the subgroup of female population based on childbearing age. Generally, we group the female population in the class interval of 5. For example, 15 to 19, 19 to 20 to 24. 15 to 19 means 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are the 5. That is the 5 age group. Similarly, 20 to 24, 20, 21, 20 to 21. That are the also 5. And 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 45, 44, 45 to 49. These are the subgroup of age of female population for the calculation of age specific fertility rate. Therefore, total fertility rate is calculated by class interval of age, that is the 5, multiplied by sum of the all age specific fertility rate, that is the based on the age group of the childbearing age of female, that is the reproductive age of the female. Another rate of the fertility, that is based on fertility or born, that is the gross reproductive rates. That means reproductive rate is based on the female population. Generally, female give the birth, not a male. That is the male only use. It is defined as generally gross reproductive rate is denoted by GRR, and it is defined as the average number of daughters, because population increases is based on the female birth. Therefore, average number of daughters, that is the female birth, that would be given by the group of women. That means the group of female population during the childbearing age, or that is the reproductive life expand presuming that all of them or mother and child should give the live birth to the entire period of reproductive period or reproductive age, that is the age between the 15 to 49. General gross reproductive rate is denoted by GRR and defined or calculated by total number of female birth, only based on the female birth, entire the live birth to the woman in the cohort sample, that means a certain sample, certain geographical place or certain study population, total number of female population in that same sample or same geographical place or same local government or same country multiplied by 1000. Another last rates inside the fertility, that is the net reproductive rate, that are also based on the live female daughters. It is defined as the number of daughters, that means female live births, replaced by their mothers during the reproductive life, that means the age group of 15 to 49, life expand if they follow the current fertility rate and mortality settles. They also follow the recent or available fertility or current fertility and mortality settles. In other words, or other words, net reproductive rate is the average number of daughters, that means based on the female birth inside the certain time, that would be born to the age group of woman, age group of female population, if the she passes or woman passes through her lifetime from the birth conforming to the age, species, fertility or mortality and a mortality rate of the given year. Generally, it is denoted by NRR and calculated by using the following relation: number of girls or number of female survived after the mortality experience, that means the survive to the childbearing age, and number of female population survived at the end of the reproductive age, that means the number of women survived after the 49 years of age, multiplied by 1000, or another words or simply other formula for the net reproductive rate, that is given by number of female birth divided by 1000 into survival rate. Survival study is also based on epidemic study. Based on the net reproductive rate, we interpret the following relation: if the net reproductive rate is equal to 1, then the population of certain geographical place in specific time, specific year is maintaining, that means stationary, neither increases nor decreases. That means if the net reproductive is equal to 1, that means population remain unchanged, that means constant, as same population in previous year to this year to next year. That are the interpretation of net reproductive rate. Another interpretation, that is second interpretation, if the net reproductive rate is greater than 1, then population in the certain geographical place is indicating increasing or growing with respect to the net reproductive rate. If the net reproductive rate is less than 1, we show the population of certain geographical place in the certain given year is decreasing, or some population is minimum as compared with the previous years, or that is based on the given year. That is the interpretation of net reproductive rates. These are the example for all students. Please concentrate on this example. The number of live birth occurring in the year 2015 is given below. According to the age of mother, together with the number of women in each group, in each age group of the reproductive rate. That means the age group of the female population is subgrouped into the class interval of 5 based on the childbearing age, that means 15 to 49. Number of women in that age group is 22,000. Number of live birth given by the female population whose age is lies between 15 to 19, that is 750. Similar followed by the age group of 20 to 24. Total number of female 28,000. Total number live birth is given by 2,850. Another age group that is 25 to 29, that is the total number of female population is 26,500, and total number of live birth 2,200. 30 to 34, 20,500, that is the total number of women in the age group of 30 to 34, and total live birth 1,550. Similarly, 35 to 39, total number of women 15,000, and total number of live birth is 500. Another 7,500 total women of the age group lies between 40 to 44, followed by the total number of live birth, that is 120, and last age group of childbearing age, that is 45 to 49, that is the total number of women 55,000, and total number of live birth is 30. Total number of women in entire age group, that is 1,25,000. Total number of live birth is 800. If the total population of the city during the year was 5 lakhs, then determine the growth birth rate, general fertility rate, age specific fertility rate, and total fertility rate. Please student calculate these values. अब यो सबै स्टुडेन्टले क्याल्कुलेट गर्ने. For example, CBR, total growth birth rate is given by total number of live birth divided by total number of population multiplied by 1,000. That means the growth birth rate equal to total number of live birth is 8,000 divided by total number of population, that is the 5,000 into 5 lakhs into 1,000. Please calculate all these growth birth rate, general fertility rate, age specific fertility rate, and total fertility rate. First, we should calculate the growth birth rate, that is based on the total number of live birth divided by total number of population. That means that 8,000 is total number of live birth divided by total number of population is 5 lakhs multiplied by 1,000. Calculate the values of CBR. Similarly, age specific fertility rate. Age specific fertility rate is different as compared with different age group. Or अब यहाँ एज स्पेसिफिक फर्टिलिटी रेट को लागि चाहिँ इच एज ग्रुपलाई छुट्टै छुट्टै क्याल्कुलेट गर्ने. फर इक्जाम्पल, एज स्पेसिफिक फर्टिलिटी रेट फर एज ग्रुप अफ 15 to 19 equal to total number of live birth divided by total number of female population in the same age group, that is 15 to 19, that means into 1,000. त्यो भनेको कस्तो भन्दाखेरि 750 divided by 22,000 into 1,000. That means the age specific fertility rate for the age group of 15 to 19 equal to total number of live birth given by the age group of women 15 to 19 divided by total number of female population of age group 15 to 19 into 1,000, that is equal to 750 divided by 22,000. Similarly, age specific fertility rate of age group 20 to 24, not of 14, 20 to 24 equal to total number of live birth given by the female age 20 to 24 divided by total number of female population in that age group, that is the 20 to 24 multiplied by 1,000 equal to 2,850 divided by 28,000 into 1,000. क्याल्कुलेसन गर्ने है. अब यहाँ म भन्दै जान्छु, यदि क्याल्कुलेसन इज पोसिबिलिटी छ भने क्याल्कुलेसन गर्दै जाने. इफ देयर इज नट पोसिबिलिटी or not possible, you should calculate the after the class सकेपछि क्याल्कुलेसन गर्ने. एज स्पेसिफिक फर्टिलिटी रेट फर द एज ग्रुप अफ 25 to 29 equal to total number of live birth given by female in the age group of 30 to 34, 25 to 29 divided by total number of female population in the same age group, that is 25 to 29 into 1000, that are given by equal to 2200 divided by 26,500 into 1000. Calculation गर्ने 2200 divided by 26,500 into 1000 कति हुन्छ? That is the age group of 25 to 29. Similarly, another age group, that is the 30 to 34. That is the total number of live birth. Age species fertility rate for the age group of 30 to 34. Total number of live birth given by the female population 30 to 34 divided by total number of female population in same age group, that is 30 to 34 into 1000 गर्दाखेरि equal to 1550 divided by 20,500 multiplied by 1000. Calculation गर्ने कति आउँछ? You should calculate these values. Similarly, another for age group of 35 to 39, the total number of live birth given by the female population whose age lies between 35 to 39 divided by total number of female population of age 35 to 39 multiplied by 1000, numerically equal to 500 divided by 15,000 into 1000. कति आउँछ क्याल्कुलेट गर्ने? Followed by the age species fertility rate. यहाँ चाहिँ age species fertility rate are different basis on the age group of the female population. So the different age group like you should calculate the different age species fertility rate. Therefore, the age species fertility rate for the age group of 40 to 44 equal to total number of live birth given by female population whose age is lies between 40 to 44 divided by total number of female population whose age is 40 to 44 multiplied by 1000 equal to 120 divided by 7,500 multiplied by 1000. And finally, age species fertility rate for the age group of 45 to 49, that is the total number of live birth given by the female of age 45 to 49 divided by total number of female population whose age is lies between 45 to 49 multiplied by 1000. That is the 30 divided by 5500 into 1000. These are the age species fertility rate. General fertility rate, another one is general fertility rate. General fertility rate is calculated total number of live birth divided by total number of women of the reproductive age. That means the age of the woman lies between the 15 to 49 into 1000. That means total number of live birth is 8,000 divided by 1,25,000. That is the total number of female population whose age is lies between the reproductive age into 1000. And total fertility rate equal to interval of age group, that is a 5 multiplied by sum of all age species fertility rate. Please calculate the all age species fertility rate and sum of the all fertility rate. भनेको सबै क्याल्कुलेसन गर्ने, एड इन्टु 5 गर्ने, जति आउँछ त्यति क्याल्कुलेसन गर्ने घरमा गर्ने कि यही गर्ने? अहिले गर्छौ कि घरमा गर्छौ? आफ्टर द क्लास गर्छौ कि अहिले गर्छौ? पर यहाँ सोध्नु पर्यो. All students, please calculate that ratios or rates inside the class भित्र गर्ने कि after class गर्ने? Please comment after class or within the class. सकिन्छ? क्याल्कुलेसन गर्न सकिन्छ? ल, आफ्टर क्लास गर्ने कि अहिले गर्ने? सकिन्छ भने अगाडि बढाउँ है त. अगाडि बढाउँ. अगाडि बढ्छ है त्यसमै. ओके, सकिन्छ है. एनी क्वेशन्स? केही क्वेशन छ यहाँ? एनी क्वेशन्स? Okay, no. La, this is the example for student. अब यो इक्जाम्पल चाहिँ स्टुडेन्टले क्याल्कुलेट गरेको हुनुपर्छ आइदर विदिन द क्लास अर आफ्टर द क्लास। भोलिपछि केही गरी हामी भेट्यो भने अथवा हामी डिस्कस गर्नु पर्यो भने त्यो बेला सबभन्दा पहिला फर्स्ट अफ अल आई विल चेक द सोल्युसन अफ दिस इक्जाम्पल। सबभन्दा पहिला म यसको सोल्युसन हेर्छु अनि मात्र अगाडि बढ्छु। विदाउट सोल्युसन यु क्यान नट क्युरिज बेस्ड अन द दिस सोल्युसन। यदि सोल्युसन गरेको छैन भने कुनै पनि क्वेशन्स कुनै पनि सोल्युसन हेजिटेसन कुनै कन्फ्युजन चाहिँ पहिला सोल्युसन भएपछि मात्रै। अदरवाइज यु सुड क्वेशन विदिन द क्लास भित्र क्वेशन गर्ने पछि चाहिँ यो सोल्युसन गरेर देखाउनु पर्छ। नेक्स्ट वान इज डिटर्मिनेन्ट अफ फर्टिलिटी। द्याट मिन्स द इन्डिकेटर, द्याट मिन्स द सर्टेन केसेस क्राइटेरिया अफ द फर्टिलिटी। फर्टिलिटी हुनको डिटर्मिनेन्ट्सहरू अर क्राइटेरिया अर फिचर्स के हो त? द्याट मिन्स द फलोइङ आर द डिटर्मिनेन्ट्स अफ फर्टिलिटी। Fertility is a major social indicator that gives the either increases or decreases. That means the indicator of any specific social community or certain geographical place, certain regions that are the indicator. If fertility is high, that gives the population is also increases. If fertility is low, that means it's stationary. Fertility level used to categorize the country as well as society. That means all the country, all the society, all the community, all the district, all the municipality is divided based on the fertility. That means the developed or underdeveloped or developing country that are based on the fertility. If fertility is high, that is said to be developing country. If the fertility is too low, that country measures the developed country. In developed country, there is a low fertility rate, low death rate. In the developing country, there is a high fertility rate and high mortality rate. High fertility rate remain developing country, whereas the low fertility level indicate the developed country. That is discussed in previous case or stationary or level of demographic transition. We also discussed that values in previous class. Nepal is a kind of country inside the world that indicating the developing country because the birth rate is 21.81 per thousand. That means the high fertility rate as compared with the developed country. Therefore, Nepal is indicating the developing country in the world. Fertility of the society is determined by various factors, various cases, such as a socio-economic condition. That means that if the income of the certain family is low, that the family has the more of high fertility rate. Similarly, cultural value. In the case of the Muslim community, there are more children. Similarly, in the Musar, there is more children. And belief, that is social belief. In the context of different society that believe the Ishwar hamro santan Ishwar ko vardhan, that is the belief. Religious, that means also I told the based on the Muslim community, they are born more children as compared with the other religions, and plays the direct as well as indirect role in determinants of fertility. यसले चाहिँ indirect पनि खोल्न सक्छ or another part of the, that means the social factors मा चाहिँ preference of the male, status of the socio-economic status of the family, income status of the family, high mortality, natural diseases, that creates the more fertility in the any kind of society, any kinds of household, any geographical place. Some important determinants of the fertility are, there are the following important determinants of fertility. That is the age at marriage. Earlier marriage gives the more fertility, more children. Occupation, that means the best of occupation. If the occupation is occupation based on the educated person or high status or low status, that is based on the more or low fertility or agriculture or other sectors that depend upon the fertility. Education, if the education is high, fertility remain low. If the education is low, then fertility or number of children are more as compared with the educated person, educated family, educated community. Demand of children, that means the in South Asia, we should prefer the male child that gives the more fertility, more children in the community, in the household. Recreational, if the any family, any household or any individual believe or depend on the childbirth is the recreational, that gives the more children. Status of woman, if the woman is low, that means the fertility is high. If the woman is high, that means fertility is low. That means the if the woman in the age at early, that gives the more children. Religious and social values, that also depend the more or less children. Religious beliefs, the Muslim community, other community, rural and urban, educated and non-educated, ethnicity groups. Strong son preference, that are the major important determinants of the fertility inside the infertility or condition of the fertility. Similarly, other determinants are economic determinants or economic condition. If economic condition is strong, that gives the less children or mortality is low in that community. If the economic status of a certain community, certain geographical place, certain region is low, in that case, the rates or mortality or that means the fertility rate is high. If the death rate is high, in that case, more children, that means the high death rate also influence the fertility. Family planning also family planning users also controlling the fertility, that means ability of the measures of family planning device. Less social working, that means if social enforcement or social norms are unknown or education or social factors are less working, in that case mortality in that times the individual influence the fertility. Nutritional program also influence the fertility. These are the determinants of the fertility inside the certain community, certain geographic place, certain religious, certain country. Okay. Before the mortality, any questions? Any questions have? Any questions? Any questions are? Any question? Any confusion? Any questions are? Please tell me without any hesitation with questions based on today's class. That is the based on